In this video, I will show you how you can clear the browsing history on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to clear the browsing history of your iPhone, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Apps. Under the App Settings, just look for the Safari web browser. Then tap on it. Now on this page, if you scroll down, you will find the option for Clear History and Website Data. Now just tap on it. Now from here, just select the time frame of which you want to clear the browsing history and select last hour, today, today and yesterday, or all history. For example, I will select all history. And if you want to close all the tabs in your browser while clearing the history, then just enable this toggle. Otherwise, you can keep it disabled. I'll turn it on. Now after you've done that, now just tap on Clear History. Now if we go to the home screen and if we open the Safari web browser, and as you can see, we have successfully cleared the whole history in our browser. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.